Welcome back, HARBROs, to HARBRO Freight. Quality videos, lowest prices, and it feels like it's been, well, not too long, but we've had a week long of parking lot sales without any other deals. But here we're back at it. We have the new get ready for summer deals, rest of June, 16th through the 29th. And we're just going to go through them. Let's see how good they are. There's over 60, which is about normally what they're putting out. And if you find this useful, please consider liking or subscribing and turning on the notification bell. Helps out a lot. We're at 8,500 subscribers, which is crazy. Let's get to 10,000. Anyways, jumping in, Haulmaster, 1,000 pound capacity, 1.5 inch by 10 foot ratcheting tie down, $399, 42% off. Good start. Predator, 2,000 watts, super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology, $449.99, $150 off, which we want to just compare the price, see what the discount actually is. So it's a 25% discount, 25% off of this Predator CO secure technology generator. All right, pretty good, really good. More Predator, the gas-powered earth auger, super handy tool to have. $199.99, $25 off. More Predator, 6.5 horsepower OHV horizontal shaft gas engine for $120, $30 off. The classic Daytona 3-ton heavy-duty ratcheting jack stands, which you never buy unless they are on sale or unless you really need them. 40% off. $29.99. These go as low as $25, but at this price here, it's not too bad. About $5 more. Just make sure you get the matching. Read the label, read the box. Height difference and min and max difference if you're OCD. Outside of that, they probably work well regardless. I do have a video on that. I'll link it in the description. Make sure these match if you're getting two sets. If you're getting one pair, then it doesn't really matter. Battery operated liquid transfer pump for $7.49, 44% off. Franklin 72 by 80 inch moving blanket, $7, 22% off. This was a free gift a few months ago. Predator 3,500 watt super quiet inverter generator with CO secure technology, $699.99, $100 off, which $100 off of $800. Just for gauge, it's about 12.5%. So, okay, not terrible. Braun. I like to see these. Braun, and it's magnetic, hence the magnet. 500 lumen LED, rechargeable magnetic, handheld, foldable, slim bar work light for $24, 20% off. Pretty good deals so far. Next, Pittsburgh, 300 pound capacity, low profile creeper, available in creeper green, villager blue, skeleton gray, and Enderman black. $32.99, 17% off. Pittsburgh 2-ton compact trolley jack for $36, 28% off. More Predator chipper shredder, 6.5 horsepower, $480, $120 off. They're making the math a little bit sneaky here. $120 off of $600. 20%, pretty good. That's a pretty good deal there. 20% off for a chipper shredder. Next, Franklin 36 inch by 24 inch 2-shelf utility cart for $110, $20 off. I like the US General ones that were on sale a weekish ago for 20-ish% off, but Franklin is pretty decent. I imagine they make a good cart. $110 though. A little bit tough to swallow. Centec 21040 200 amp 612 volt automatic battery charger with engine jumpstart. $150, $10 off. Abysmal Viking 2815 amp automatic microprocessor controlled battery charger for $60. Was $75 for 20% off. Daytona's 1,300 pound capacity self-loading positioning wheel dolly. These, I don't know, do you need 4 of these? Limit is 4. You're moving the car around on each of these. You at least need, you need 4, right? Am I tripping? $100, $30 off. which is pretty good. It's 23, almost, yeah, 23% off. Next, we have the McGraw 6-gallon, 150 PSI, oil-free pancake job site air compressor for $110, $20 off. Next, Vikings 3400 peak amp pro portable car battery jump starter and power pack for $330, $50 off. And they got me working overtime with these dollars off and not percentages. $50 off 380 is about 13%. So that tells you what you need to know. We continue. US General 56-inch by 22-inch work center hutch for $469.99, only $30 off. 10% off would be $50. So this is well below 10%. Some chocks, Hallmaster solid rubber wheel chalk. You definitely need some. Be safe. Don't be sorry. $4.99 for a well-designed wheel chalk as opposed to not using anything or something that's not designed to stop the wheel necessarily. For $5, it's worth it. 37% off, even better. Portland 1750 psi, 1.3 gallons per minute, corded electric pressure washer, $80, 11% off. Anti-fatigue foam mats. If you don't have one, what are you waiting for? 4-pack for $9. If you're on your feet and your dogs are barking in your garage, this will save the day. $9, you get 4, 10% off. Hallmaster 2-ball adjustable aluminum hitch, 6-inch drop, 6-inch rise, $110, $30 off. Predator, hey, this is on sale. Not the greatest sale, but it's on sale. The 100-watt super lightweight foldable solar panel. It was $130. They're doing $15 off. It is $115, and the $15 off of $130, about 11, almost 12% off. So I like that they're discounting it. Pretty decent. You don't see that on new tools, new pricey tools too often. Next, titanium nitride coated alloy steel tap and die set, 45-piece for the very nice price of $69.99. 22% off, available in either SAE or metric. Pittsburgh lifetime warranty. Let's go. Grant's 1200 watt handheld steam cleaner, $30, 25% off. Great value, and I trust Grant. That's the steamer to get for $30. Yeah, absolutely. You could do worse than that. Original Stick Tech 50-yard by 1.88-inch cloth back silver duct tape, $3.99, 16% off. Hallmaster ST 205 75 R15 1,820-pound capacity radial trailer tire, $135, $15 off. We have Vulcan ER70S6 MIG solid welding wire, 11-pound roll. Your choice of either 0.03 or 0.035 inches, $29.99, 21% off. Then we have Central Machinery 1500-watt steam cleaner kit. Whoa, this is I'm assuming it was it's a hefty, it has wheels on it. A hefty steam cleaner, 1500 watt. I guess it'd have to be $99.99, $30 off. So that definitely an upgrade from this Grant's one. I know who needs a big one, but this is a hefty one, 1500 watt. Yeah, it's gonna pack a punch, pack some steam. 100 even, $30 off. Bauer 23-foot automatic feed handheld electric drain cleaner, $90, $10 off. That's 10% off. Central Machinery 20-inch 3-speed high velocity fan for $50, 16% off. And we have the Bauer 6-gallon 4-peak horsepower wet dry vacuum for $45, 18% off. Tough to find a comparable for $45, a 6-gallon shop vac. Good deal there. Hallmaster 10-inch pneumatic tire with white hub, $6, 33% off. Then we have the Bauer 20V cordless 18-gauge brad nailer, the tool only, although they put the battery in the picture. $80, $20 off. That's 20% off. Then we have Armstrong 23-inch to 65-inch single stud full motion TV mount for $15, 57% off. If you have a TV that you need a mount, this is the one to get. I mean, 65 inches is going to cover most TVs. $15. Steal of a deal. Icon alert. Icon alert. Zanga. Look at the price on that. Icon 3/4 inch drive, 100 to 600 foot-pound professional click torque wrench. $349.99, $50 off compared to the Snap-on at $1,160. And let's just verify the percentage off. $50 off of $400 puts you at 12.5%, almost 13%. So not mad. That's a pricey torque wrench, but it is Icon. And of tools that you need, those are the ones you need to pull the trigger on, whether there's a sale or not. So I'm not mad at the 13% off. $50. Pittsburgh brake bleeder and vacuum pump kit, $20, 23% off. Vanguard 25 foot and 16 and 3 gauge indoor outdoor extension cord for $8, 20% off. Super Coupon Vulcan flux core welding wire 10-pound roll, $50, 28% off. Either 0.03 or 0.035 inches. Then we have the Hallmaster 1-ton manual chain hoist for $60, 14% off. We have Greenwood trigger spray nozzle for $4, 20% off. 19 foot by 29 foot all-purpose weather-resistant tarp for $27, 18% off. 3/8 inch by 50 foot premium rubber air hose, $32.99, 13% off. And these were just 20% off. So don't like that. Greenwood 2-gallon home and garden sprayer for $12, 25% off. I do like that. Bauer alert, 20-volt cordless, 3/8 inch ratchet tool only. $50, 16% off. That is a deal. I mean, it could be better than 60%, but a $50 cordless 3/8 inch ratchet, especially if you're in the line already, I like it. I like it a lot. Warrior security bit set with case, 100 piece, $7.99, 20% off. HFT 6 outlet power strip for $4, 20% off there. And then we have the Merlin 3/8 inch by 25 foot rubber air hose for $12, 20% off, which is great because that's the sale that was just going on for about a few weeks. And we have Daytona 1,500 pound capacity gear driven rotating engine stand, $270, $30 off, followed by Bauer 1,600 watt 12 amp 14 temperature dual speed heat gun, $28, 20% off. Good deal for a heat gun. Everyone needs a heat gun. Some Hercules 13 amp 4.5 inch to 6 inch trigger grip angle grinder, $80, $20 off, 20% off. And the 6 inch magnetic parts holder. The 4 inch was a free tool recently, but this is a 6 inch for $350, 16% off. Bauer 4.5 inch by 1/16 inch by 7/8 inch type 2742. Metal cutoff wheels 10-pack, $5.99, 25% off. We have Berger 12 inch F-style welding clamp for $20, 28% off. Hallmaster 3,500 pound A-frame weather resistant electric trailer jack with drop leg for $140, $20 off. These Hercules 3/16 inch to 1 1/8 inch number 4 cobalt step drill bit 12 steps and number 5 8 steps, $35, 30% off. And this Drummond 3/4 horsepower non-submersible Supermax 1 inch transfer pump for $140, $20 off. And here, very convenient if you wash your own car, the instant on-off telescoping flow through brush for $17, 22% off. I don't have this one. I got one off of Amazon. I think a little bit more pricey, but it's been a great brush for cleaning the car. Definitely recommend. Harbor Freight 5-gallon bucket lid. If you get your free buckets without a lid, 33% off, $2. This is the time to do it. Not too bad. $2 for the Harbor Freight lid. Next, Hallmaster. This is the 1.5 ton lever manual chain hoist for $110, $20 off. Central pneumatic 32 ounce siphon feed spray gun, $27, 32% off. Really good there. Banks 2-in-1 flooring air nailer / stapler for $130, $30 off. I like that ratio. It's about 18, almost 19% off, which is really good. Next, some more Pittsburgh 1/4 inch drive socket set, 21 piece, your choice of SAE or metric for $10, That's 33% off. Competing for the wrenches that you just got, here's the Quinn flare nut wrench set, 5-piece. Does Icon have some flare nuts? I don't remember they do. Your choice of SAE or metric for $32.99, 17% off. Beautiful. Drummond, 1 horsepower submersible sump pump with heavy duty vertical float switch, 6,000 gallons per hour, $150, $20 off. And we have a HFT 1.5 inch keyed alike padlocks 3-pack for $4, 33% off. I mean, security, this is for basic security. I don't know how I feel about $4 security besides basic security. Bauer 3-inch by 21-inch sanding belts with zirconia alumina grain 3-pack, $4.99, 37% off. Doyle Alert 9.5-inch wire crimping tool for $13, 13% off. Some Central Pneumatic pistol grip tire inflator, love it, with dial gauge, love it even more, $8, 20% off. Hardy A5 cut resistant work gloves for $3.50, 36% off. Hercules 17-inch tool tote with 19 pockets. Pockets is $28, 24% off. We have Pittsburgh tool set 60-piece for $20, 20% off. And US General magnetic socket rail with twist lock, $15, 16% off. A Storehouse 30-bin wall mount parts rack for $15, 25% off. Really good deal. Some Bauer step drill bits, the 13 steps, 6 steps, and 9 steps for $15, 25% off. We have Storehouse 4-inch stacking tilt bin for $1.50, 50% off. I like what I'm seeing. Pittsburgh 36-inch jumbo pry bar for $15, 16% off. Gordon multi-piece scissors, multi-purpose scissors, 69 cents. You got to buy these, 30% off. Excellent price. Pittsburgh socket rail set 3-piece for $3.50, 30% off. I like that. Warrior SDS Plus type masonry flat chisel set 3-piece for $15, 25% off. We have the 12-ounce surface shield rust protectant, $8, 20% off. Some Braun 750 lumen LED portable work light with rotating handle stand, $10, 33% off. I like that price. That's an excellent price on that. And with the Pittsburgh 1/4-inch steel letter number stamping set, 36-piece for $10, 23% off. And then last but not least, probably one of the most important things you should have, carbon monoxide alarm, $18, 10% off. And those are the remainder of June super coupons. What do you think? There's some good, there's some decent ones. In my humble opinion, there's always some really decent ones, and they mix it up pretty well. I feel like by the end of the year, everything at one point has been discounted. It has to be. But there's some really good deals here. Hopefully, it's something that you've been waiting for, so you can take advantage and get it at a discount. But what do you think? What are your thoughts? What do you need that you're going to get? What wrenches did you get? I think I've gotten a lot of positive feedback from everybody. So hopefully everybody was able to get their wrench sets or something from the parking lot sale. It was intense. I feel like it was a long week. But anyways, please consider liking and subscribing if you find these useful or helpful. Turn on the notifications so you can get these as soon as I release them. Happy Father's Day. Happy Sunday. And as soon as I find some more deals, I will send them your way.